Welcome, Miss and General Public. My name is Valentina Pardo. I'm going to talk about the mechanical typewriter evolution and how it was later replaced by the computer. The typewriter is a mechanical, electromechanical, or electronic device with a set of keys called types that, when pressed, print characters in a document, usually paper. The person operating a typewriter is called a typist. The typographer is considered the first typewriter and was created in 1829 by William Austin Bird. It was often said that writing with this machine was slower than doing it by hand. In 1865, the first writing machine patented by Danish priest Rasmus Malling Hansen was put up for sale. His model allowed typing to be faster than handwriting. The main problems of this typewriter were that only capital letters could be used, and that the typist could not see what he was writing. It was also too big and expensive to be a bestseller. In 1895, visible typewriters appeared, allowing the typist to see what he was writing. Currently, typewriters are no longer used. The last equipment factory of its kind closes in 2011. Typewriters were indispensable tools in offices around the world, as well as for literature, film, journalism, theater, and any activity that required reading since the late 19th century and almost the entire 20th century. At the end of the 20th century began a breakthrough of new technologies. With the advent of the computer and the new personal computer word processors created in 1980, typewriters began to be replaced in the countries initially in development, then extending to the rest of the world. Some advantages of the mechanical typewriters are: doesn't need electricity, great for standing typing. Some advantages of the computer can be correct before writing, works with many software and designs, more compact and transportable, and more faster. Some disadvantages of the mechanical typewriter: discontinued spare parts, limited design. And some disadvantages of the computer are doesn't work without light, the softwares are not installed and you have to pay for some software. As can be seen in its advantages, disadvantages, and in a personal way. The use of the typewriter is currently very expensive for its high paper use and discontinuations of spare parts. Instead, the computer is transportable, compact, and faster. For all of the above, the computer outperforms the typewriter, being the most efficient options. Thank